I'll show you how to use limit orders on the Crypto.com app. Go down to the bottom and press trade. That's in the middle here. And then from here, press buy tokens. And then choose the asset that you want to buy. I'll buy some Bitcoin. Top right, we don't want to press one time. We want to click that and press limit order. And now we can choose a price. This price here is the current trading price for Bitcoin. Now, if you're a buyer, limit orders usually go in below the market price. If you wanted to trade at or above the market price, a limit order can work, but there's no point. You might as well just press one time. That's a market order, and that's an instruction just to buy immediately at the best price available. With a limit order, the premise here is that you're trying to get a better trade. So if you're a buyer, you're trying to buy cheaper. So I'm going to put my limit order below the current price and hope that the market moves down to my price. So what I'm going to do is, let's say 60,000, like this, and I'm going to press done. So my limit, you can see buy at 60,000. Now I can buy any fraction of a Bitcoin here. So I'm buying with USDC. If you click buy with USDC, you can choose your payment method, whatever that is. I'm going to choose max and press review order. Review everything here. You can see the transfer that will happen, 60,000, which is minus 7% from the current price. Any trading fees, going to press confirm down at the bottom. And that order will go in. Now, because we're trading a limit order, our order has been placed, but we haven't traded yet. The market, as we saw, is 64,000. So our limit price at 60,000 won't go ahead and trade because our limit price is below the current market price, right? Other people are bidding higher than us. However, that limit order is in the system, and that will be in there until or if the price gets down to our limit, and then we can trade. Once you've placed that limit order, it will be in the system at Crypto.com until you cancel it or until it trades. So go to the top left of the app, press this drop down, and then down here under trade it says limit order. Press that and you'll see any limit orders that you have in the system. So I have an open order. That's an instruction to Crypto.com. If the market is willing to sell to me at 60,000, then I'll go ahead and buy. But what you can do is click on this order and you can see all of the details when it was created. Notice expires on good till cancelled. That means it will stay in the system until I physically cancel it or until it trades. And you can see everything else about the order. And of course, you can edit or cancel the order here. So bottom right, if you want to edit the order, press that. And you can change the price and the amount of the order. So if your order's been in for a while and the price isn't moving down, you want to move the price up, you can do that here. Or if you just want to cancel out the order, you can do that bottom left. Now, you only pay trading fees when you actually exchange assets. So if you confirm this, you can cancel the order and you won't pay any trading fees or anything else. You can also use limit orders when selling assets as well. Down in the bottom, press trade, sell tokens. Choose the asset that you have that you want to sell. I'll sell some Ethereum. Up in the top right, press this one time again. We want to choose limit order. Now we're selling Ethereum and we can see that the current market price for one ETH is $1,929. So when you're selling assets, again, we're looking at a price that is better than the current market price. When you're selling, that's above the current market price. If the current market price is $1,900 and I give a price of $1,800, then my limit price is below the current market price. There's no point to use a limit order, right? You would just sell at a market order because it's a better price than this. My limit is going to be above the market price. So let's say 2,000. And you can see it's plus 4%, plus 4.71% from the current price. Press done. So what I'm saying is I'm willing to sell my ETH above the current market price. If the market moves up, then I will sell. And you can put an amount in. Press review order, go ahead, press everything as well. And if you want to cancel that, go back into the settings menu.